Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Technically, officially, the last video of 2024. Last week there was no video because it was Christmas, and Christmas is my holiday. I wanted to take that day to myself. So that's why there was a video last week. But today, we are going to end the year with kicking it off with my 75 hard challenge. If you don't know what the 75 hard challenge is, it is a discipline guide, how to train your body, discipline your body and your mind to become the healthiest version of yourself. Now, reading the 75 hard, like the original 75 hard, to me it gave like it was gearing more towards men. So I did a girlified version of it, something that I think that I can do for 75 days. I'm hoping I can do for 75 days and challenge myself in that aspect. All right, so the original 75-day challenge, number one, follow a diet, 0 cheat meals for the entire 75 days. That includes no alcohol. I don't know why it doesn't say it's on here, but there's no alcohol in the 75 days. 2, work out 2 times a day for at least 45 minutes, and 1 has to be outside. 3, drink a gallon of water per day. 4, read 10 pages of a non-fiction entrepreneur book. This seemed wrong. And 5, take a progress pic every single day. For the most part, that's what the 75 hard challenge is. For me, I feel like a lot of that, like I said, it's very masculine. So I did my own 75 hard, right? 75 hard by Kissyface454. First thing, and this is like a compilation of another 75 hard that I saw on Twitter, which is the holistic one, and that is by Holistic Mommy. Her name is Ariel Simone. She actually has a whole book and guide on hers. So hers is no alcohol, daily ginger shots, eating more plant-based, 2 workouts. I feel like I have something more to go. 2 workouts a day, 1 must be outside. Read for 10 minutes a day, drink 12 cups of water, have a morning and night routine, commit to a creative hobby. Okay, so I had changed something on my camera, and I hope I fixed it. Is this a better angle? I hope this is a better angle. This feels like a better angle. Anyways, her holistic 75-day challenge has 8 things on there, which is pretty good. I was initially going to do that. How many I have on mine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, mine is so yeah, mine has some from the original, and mine has some from her holistic 75 days. So mine is ginger shot every morning because I get bloated very easily, and I feel like the ginger shot will help with my digestive system. Yes, I am regular and I go every day, but I feel like that would help. That would help with the bloating and, you know, getting my body in its best shape, because I'm not getting any younger. I'm not going to be this hot forever. So no alcohol. This one is going to be hard for me, actually. I discovered that I always joked around and played around. That's like a whole different conversation. But I always joked around and said that I'm a functioning alcoholic, blah, 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 blah. But I really do feel like I have a problem. I really, really do. I really, really do. It's an internal battle every day to not drink. So for 75 days, we're going to try not drinking. I have gone long stretches of time not drinking. I've been pregnant twice and did not drink through any of my pregnancy. So, you know, kudos to me. I know I can do it. The thing is, do I want to? I can, but do I want to? You know, people say, oh, I can stop whenever I want. But do I want to? Right? All right, so we're going to try that for 75 days and see what happens. But then after that, am I going to fall off the wagon again? Again, this is for another conversation. The next thing is, instead of a gallon of water or 12 cups of water, it's drink half your body weight in water. Because really, I'm just a girl. Okay? Okay. 2 workouts every day. I didn't specify that 1 has to be outside because Florida is very weird and it will start raining for no reason. So 2 workouts every day. I want to do 1 in the morning and then 1 in the night. In the morning, it's going to be very hard for me because I'm not a morning person, but I have done it before. When I first started my workout journey, I want to say in 2023, I was waking up early as crack of dawn and working out. So we're going to do this again, and I'm going to do evening workouts. In the evening, I want to do my 2-mile walks. Love me a good 2 miles. I do more like a power walk, so it takes me like 30 minutes to finish 2 miles, 15 minutes each way. So I'm kind of ready for that, because listen, when I actually start working out, my body snaps together fast. Like I gain weight fast and I lean out fast. I love that for me. The next one is have a morning and nighttime routine. The morning and nighttime routine I've already started working on. I do already have a nighttime skincare routine. A morning routine, however, this is how the ginger shot and the morning workouts are going to come into play as part of the morning routine. I keep looking over here because I don't like that little light thing. Anyways, yes, and that includes making your bed every day. Like I got a new comforter set with a bunch of pillows and stuff, so I'm like a real adult girl, so I have to make my bed a specific way. I spent the weekend with my best friend and she like makes her bed, okay? She has multiple sheets and blankets like a hotel, honey. So yeah, that's the goal, to be like my best friend. And then the last one is read for 10 minutes every day. Lately, me and mommy have been like reading our Bibles a lot, and then we'll get on the phone and have these in-depth conversations. Like this morning we were talking about we talked about Esther, Elizabeth, we talked about Mary, Jesus, Joseph, and how Joseph don't get no credit, like him just dip on the wayside. So we need to investigate Joseph and see what really, how he felt, you know. We need to talk about, no, not we need to talk about, she brought up reading about the women of the Bible, and I'm like, you know what, yes, because justice for my girl Vashti, first of all, like big up Esther, you do your thing, yeah. But justice for my girl. Justice for my girl. Anyways, so that is my 75 hard. If you want to follow along, I will leave it in the description bar below. And my camera, oh, that's the timer to tell me that I'm running out of time. So before the camera decides to overheat and shut down again, let me just say, if you're choosing to join my 75 hard, I will leave it in the description bar for you guys to join along. I have nothing else to say. I will check back in at the end of the 75 days, or maybe after the first week. We'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for joining me for all of 2024 and prior. And we're looking forward to having a bigger community in 2025. All right, Siren Lounge active, TheFourFiveFour active, Mommy EXO active. We're doing everything. We're doing everything for 2025. 75 hard though. Let's get it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.